5 compliments that touch her soul, not just her ego. Welcome to Ancient Stoic Secrets. There are compliments women hear every day. You're beautiful, you're smart, you're so sweet. Most of them come and go, forgotten before the night ends. Why? Because they're safe, predictable, empty. But here at Ancient Stoic Secrets, we don't chase approval. We speak with intention. And when you learn to speak to the places she guards most, the parts no one else says, you don't just attract her. You stay with her. Not in a flashy way, in a quiet, undeniable way. Today, I'll show you 5 rare compliments. They aren't about impressing her. They're about seeing her. Not her dress, not her smile, but the essence behind it all. These compliments come from awareness, not performance. From presence, not persuasion. And once you say them with real calm, real truth, she won't crave your attention. She'll crave your presence. Let's begin. 1. I see how you see the world. Most men stop at what's obvious: her beauty, her hair, her outfit. But here's the truth. Anyone can admire a woman's appearance. It takes something deeper to admire her perspective. A woman's mind is often overlooked in a world obsessed with surfaces. But when you notice the way she connects ideas, how her thoughts weave into something uniquely her, you become rare. One night, I listened to a woman break down a problem I'd been struggling with for weeks. She didn't offer a solution. She offered a way of seeing it that shifted everything. That's when I realized, beauty fades, but perspective moves mountains. So the next time she says something layered or bold, pause, look her in the eye and say, I've never heard anyone connect things like you do. That moment, that's not flattery. That's truth, and truth sticks. 2. You carry strength most people miss. The world tells women to be soft, gentle, sweet, but you and I both know, true strength isn't always loud. Sometimes, it looks like holding back tears and still showing up for others. Sometimes, it's staying centered when life is a mess. And yet, how often do we actually say, I see how strong you are? Most guys don't, because they're too distracted by smiles and dresses to see composure and resilience. But when you do see it, it changes everything. Say it when it's real, when she tells you how she stood up for herself at work or held her family together through chaos. Say, most people would have broken in that moment. But the way you handled it, that's real strength. Say it slowly, let the silence hold it. And you'll notice, her posture shifts, her guard lowers. Because you didn't praise her charm, you honored her character. 3. Your presence changes the room. There are some people who walk into a space and shift the energy, not with noise, but with presence. It's like gravity, you feel it before you understand it. Most people don't know how to name it, but the Stoic man does. This isn't about how she looks or what she says, it's about what she radiates. Maybe you've seen it. A group becomes more open, more alive, just because she's there. People lean in when she speaks. Laughter flows more freely. That's not luck, that's impact. And when you tell her gently, honestly, it's wild how everything shifts when you're here. You give her something rare, awareness. You didn't admire her beauty, you mirrored her effect, and that stays with her. Because for once, someone saw what she didn't even know she was giving to the world. For you make me want to be better. There's a kind of compliment that has nothing to do with her, it's about you. Or more precisely, how she makes you feel about yourself. When a woman inspires you to become more disciplined, more grounded, more focused, not because she asked, but because her presence pulls that out of you, that's worth honoring. And here's the twist, she often doesn't know she's doing it. So tell her, the next time she talks about a bold move she made, or the passion she pours into her life, stop, look at her, and say, you make me want to level up. That line isn't romantic, it's real. And when she hears it, she won't feel flattered, she'll feel valued. That's the power of honest influence. And when a woman realizes she brings out your strength, not your neediness, she sees you as someone who gets it. 5. You don't even try. And still, you matter. In a world where people are always trying to prove something, there's something sacred about a woman who makes others feel seen without even trying. She encourages a friend quietly. She says something that lifts someone's spirit without even noticing. And most people don't say a word, but you should. Not in a spotlight moment, not when she's performing, but in a quiet one when she's just being herself. Say this, you don't even try. And yet, people feel better when you're around. That's something rare. Don't explain. Don't follow it with a joke. Let it breathe. What you're giving her isn't just a compliment, it's a mirror. One she rarely gets to look into. And when she sees herself through your words, her energy, her impact, she associates that clarity with you. Because you didn't just see her, you understood her. Real words, real connection. Most men settle for flattery. But the Stoic man waits, watches, speaks when the moment is real. Because in that stillness, his words carry weight. These compliments, they aren't tricks. They're reflections. When you tell a woman, you move me, you make others better, you lead with quiet power, you're not trying to impress her, you're honoring her. And that's unforgettable. In a world drowning in noise, you become the silence she remembers. So if this message spoke to you, you re ready to connect on a level most men never reach. Subscribe to Ancient Stoic Secrets. Like this video, share your favorite line in the comments, and remember, don't chase her attention. Command her respect with truth.